Hi everyone, today I'm going to be installing the UDS9 under sink stainless steel filter system. Included in the box you have the filter housings, the two filters, the stainless steel base, the 3/8 inch inlet hose, the 3/8 inch outlet hose, the 3/8 to 1/2 inch converter set, and the plumbing tape. Step 1. Connect the inlet hose to the labeled in port. Use a wrench to connect the hose, otherwise water leakage may occur. If your angle valve is 1/2 inch, you need to install the converter set provided first. Step 2. Shut off the water supply. Remove the faucet hose from the angle valve. Connect the inlet hose to the feed water valve. Step 3. Connect the outlet hose to the labeled out port. Connect the other end of the outlet hose to the faucet hose. Make sure to use a wrench to tighten both hoses, otherwise water leakage may occur. Step 4. Turn on the water supply valve to check for leaks. Then flush the system for about 15 minutes before the first use. This system filters up to 99% of the contaminants in water, and the filter cartridge models DSF01 and DSF02 can last up to 8 to 12 months before needing to be replaced. But when you do need to replace the filters, all you have to do is turn off the water supply and then open the faucet to release the pressure and drain the remaining water. Place the system in a container in case of water leakage when twisting off the filter housing. Remove the expired filters from the system and insert the new filter cartridges into the corresponding bases. Make sure the sealing ring is installed firmly. Then install back the filter housings. Lastly, turn on the faucet and flush it for 5 to 10 minutes. You are now ready to continue enjoying your clean drinking water. Thanks for watching.